review the Guitar Tuna app. This app is fantastic. And if you haven't seen this app, you're going to love it. What's nice about it is if you download it on your tablet and you download it on your phone, then you always have a guitar tuner with you. So if you're at a friend's house and they have an old guitar, you can tune it up and play a song. The first thing you do is go into the Guitar Tuna app. What I like about this app is that you can use this tuner several different ways. Right now it is in standard mode, so you can do standard tuning. If you click on the standard button, you can see that you can use it to tune your guitar, ukulele, and bass. I use it for all of my instruments, and also some custom tuning like drop D. But for right now I'm going to show you the standard. And so when you tune it, you want to get it close to 0. And when that green bar goes across and it clicks, it'll actually show you that it's in tune. You can see that's like that with the E there. It's all lit up in green. Not only does it have a tuner, but it also has games that you can play. So for example, if you're trying to train your ear, it'll play the chords, and you just tap it to continue, and D. Now it says, which one is it? There you go. You can also learn your chords by playing the games on here. Tells you what a G is, tells you what a D is, and then it says, which one is it? There you go. Then you have the tools menu. It'll give you a metronome, so you make sure that you're playing your rhythm correctly. One of the other things on here is the musician. Musician is a tutorial to teach you how to play tablature. If you don't know what tablature is, basically it's sheet music for guitar players. Then you have the songs menu for the tablature if you are actually doing musician. And musician, I believe, requires you to have a monthly fee, so I just use it for the tuner. That's Guitar Tuna. I highly recommend it. It's just a great app to tune your guitar anytime, anywhere.